Whoa. Hello everybody, this is my video on my Rubik's Cube program. So, written in Java. So let's get it running. Alright, so here's my Rubik's Cube program. As you can see, you can move the camera around with the mouse and get a look at the cube. And it prints out the controls in the terminal here, all the different controls and how you interact with it. But alright, so press the enter key, it'll scramble it. Now it's not very smart in how it scrambles it. It just does random moves, so sometimes it'll do a move and undo it immediately and stuff like that, but oh well. Whoa, got mixed up there. So let me do a I can do rotation, so I could do a Z2. That's gonna rotate the cube around the Z axis. Do X2, rotates around the X axis. So I'm gonna solve this cross here. I'm gonna do this. The method starts with cross. So there we go, I just solved the white cross here. And now I'm going to start solving the first two layers, so I'm going to do that type of thing. And so I'm just solving the cube now. So there, so that's the first two layers done. Then I'm going to do OLO. So you can also do middle moves, which is nice, and the E. So for this I do M, R, U, R prime, U, R, U prime, R prime, U, R, U2, M, R prime. And that's OLO, and then finally PO. And there we go. So it takes a while to get used to the keyboard controls, but I do like it. Like a lot of these online Rubik's Cubes are mouse controlled, and you're also moving the camera with the mouse, so it just gets confusing to me. But anyway, that's pretty much it. That's the program. I like it. I like how you can, it's like a real Rubik's Cube, and there's animations, and you can, rotate it around and do all the different things you want to do, and I think that's cool. Uh-oh. Well, anyway, and that's my video.